Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to create a text outline in Figma. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So to create a text outline in Figma, what we need to do first here is we need to actually access our project here. So in this project, I've already created text here that says this is a text. This is just an example, but in this case, you could add any text that you want. Now, what we need to do first here is we want to select our text. So first, the text you want to do here is you want to right click on it and you want to actually flatten that text. Let's go and click on flatten it. Now in this case, this will actually flatten the text, which in this case you could actually individually change the anchor points for that text. But the most important section here is going to be the properties at the right side, or the design. Now in this case, we want to add a stroke here. Let's go and click on the plus button. In this case, we want to actually add or change the color for it. So in this case, I'm going to make this white, and in this case, I'll make this as outside. Now the strength or the thickness of that, the specific outline is, or the stroke itself, I'm going to make this as a 50. So just give you an idea. It's going to be really big. So let's just reduce this, and it's actually quite big. So 10, would 10 be good? So let's just do this one more. Let's just say 5. Okay, this is good. So what we need to do next is we now need to hide our fill here. You go and click on the eye icon to hide that, and as you can see, we now have our outline. Which in this case, if you add other sections here, it's going to give you. I'm going to add a rectangle. Let's go ahead and draw it in here, and let's make sure that our text is above here. And let's go and go to our triangle. In this case, we want to change the color itself. And as you can see, we now have an outline. So it's going to actually, the actual text will have or will adopt that specific color on the background. So you won't have to worry about it not blending in the background. But in this case, yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.